boy Jay and the boy Corey. And as you can see, we got two white VWs. Today, what we're doing actually, well, still Adam's car, and we're gonna go get the exhaust done today, as well as getting the A8 done today. I don't know how we're gonna get this on the lift, but we're gonna somehow try, because when I got the exhaust done on that a year ago almost, well, even at stock height, it's still scraped on the going in. It's on the ground. I have no idea how we're gonna get that car up on that lift. So what are we looking at? I think we're good. Not gonna lie, this thing looks so good on the wheels, bro. It looks so good, especially when rolling, bro. Dude, you have no idea, bro. It looks so good. So what are you getting done?
Well, you already got the secondary resonators done, or was it the primary?
The mid muffler.
The mid muffler
Type shit, yeah.
Which did help. Like the sound, and it sounds good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the rear mufflers now.
Okay.
That's gonna open up the sound a bit and get closer to like what we're looking for. After this, we're gonna come back and do the H pipe, but that'll be later. But for now, we're trying to get some sound out.
We're gonna get the exhaust done, or properly finished on that car, so it can actually look good. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done, but. Just looking at all that, it's pretty clean under there, but they're gonna bend it and then come out right through there with a single, and then, well, we'll call it a day from there, I guess you can say. Just about.
And we can get out of here
Before 3:30?
Yeah.
Possibly. So we got the man, the owner of 954 Muffler out here working on the car himself. The man, the master mechanic right here.
Good call, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got that.
This man got style. Jay ready?
Yes, sir. Yo, Corey, I think we made a bad decision. I think we should have stuck it with that. Leaving it all the way out there. That'd be crazy. Imagine blast pipes on the A8.
You know what? I could actually see it. I could see it.
Low
like
key.
For a different build, I could actually see that.
Low key, yeah. Oh, look at those welds, man. Oh my god, those welds. And just like that, both cars are literally done at the same time. Oh yeah, that's so much better. That is so much better. That sounds so much better. Oh my god, yes. Oh, that's so much better. Well, Corey, how you feeling, bro?
You know what? I'm actually not as tired as I normally would be when we do these things.
Yeah.
This job, compared to what we normally do, is actually pretty easy. Still a pain in the ass, but it's pretty easy.
Yeah.
I'm Adam's biggest hater now.
Yeah, what is he referring to is the fact that, well, for the past couple hours, as you can see, it's nighttime now. We've been working on Adam's car. We got the exhaust done. Sounds great, but figured he wouldn't like that, so we decided to mess with the cats a bit. It still has the factory cat still there, and the one in the rear, but there's nothing inside them anymore. So, but we just finished.
We left the cats outside, and for some reason, when we came back, they were hollow.
Yeah.
We didn't do anything.
Yeah.
We just left them outside. And
Yeah.
so we just said, you know what, we're just gonna put in the car.
Yep.
And
Yep.
yeah. So someone explained to me why a Jetta has a V-band turbo, and I have an A5, right? And I have like the bolts, and I have a bigger turbo than he does. I have an Audi, and this guy's a, why do I not get the V-band? Adam, I'm now your biggest hater.
Yep. He is Adam's biggest hater. Adam, when you see this, Corey hates you.
I'm the biggest hater.
Full on straight pipe. Little pipe right there. Adam, you're gonna. I hope this sounds good. I hope it sounds good. You think it sounds good?
It'll probably sound like micro, honestly.
All right, let's start it up. All right. I'm not ready for this. You ready for this, Corey?
Let's hear it. It actually kind of sounds like mine. I mean, our exhaust setups are kind of different, but it sounds very similar. I hear it like adjusting the air mixture now.
Oh yeah. Ooh, you can hear the turbo now. Oh, it's officially straight piped. Adam's gonna love this. Let's hear what it sounds like.
I feel like you could hear his turbo more than mine, actually.
On God, bro. On God.
I like it. It sounds great.
Sounds great.
This actually sounds pretty good.
Our first drive. Oh, you can definitely hear that turbo. Oh my gosh, it pulls harder. All you hear is just turbo whistle. But we are pulling into Adams Complex now. Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up?
You notice anything different about your car?
Yeah, I heard the turbo.
Hop in.
What'd you do?
Don't worry about it. Told you I'd fix your car.
I like it.
That's a lot more turbo noise, that's for sure. Are you ready, Adam?
Yeah.
Here, I want you to record your reaction right quick. Recording this?
Yeah. Okay. God damn.
It pulls so much harder.
Fuck.
I told you, it pulls harder, bro.
They're gonna bleep that out.
did was we kind of gutted your cats.
What?
We kind of gutted your cats.
Pretty much. Damn. Wait, what? Wait, what?
Yeah, we gutted your
Today.
cats today.
Shit.
Fully gutted both cats, and also we fixed the straight pipe, so, and also fixed the issue that you had with the braking. Yeah, we fixed all of that.
Lit.
So what do you think?
Broke out of more than rated out of 10. It's 11. Sounds freaking good.
You happy?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
So yeah, that's what took so long, bro, with me having your car.
Hey, at least it was in a good hand.
Yeah, made sure it was all good, so far so good. Well, ladies and gents, that'll do it for this video. Honestly, we got the boy Corey
made
here.
it. After 1 second.
It's been officially a second, yeah. So I got the boy Adam and the boy Corey. We out here doing legal activities.
Legal. Very legal.
Always legal. Always legal.
Always legal.
Adam is happy. I'm tired and hungry. You owe me a dinner.
Burrito?
Burritos. So with that being said, I'm gonna get some food because your boy's hungry. And if y'all ever get a VW, make sure that it's in running and driving condition and it doesn't have any electrical issues, because Lord Jesus, they are a bastard to fix. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If y'all did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also leave a comment. So
Stay tuned.